What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth user support service edf85 failed to start. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to use an application or service that basically utilizes this specific service and it's not working, I'm going to show you what to do to fix this. So all you need to do is go to your search bar and type in services until you see this pop up. In here, find that specific service. So right here, Bluetooth user support service edf85. Double click into this. Once this basically pops up, we're going to do a few things inside of this. The first thing is we're going to change the startup type from manual to automatic, or whatever it is, to automatic. And the next thing is, if you see the service as stopped, you want to basically press start to start the service. And if it is started, you can either press restart at the top over here, or you just stop it and start it again. Once you do that, restart your computer, you should be good to go, and whatever application is basically most likely your Bluetooth driver is utilizing the service for should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are over the video, please smash that like, thumbs up. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. On that, Motorola's out. Peace.